This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. Yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Dixon from TECHWEAR Designs. Today, I'm gonna show you how I designed a fall-winter collection for this TECHWEAR brand called MECHA Studio. I'll be creating everything from scratch, from the logo, identity, all the way to the puffer jacket design. So, hope you enjoy watching the process. Let's go. Alright guys, so here's the mood board that the client gave me, and he specifically mentioned that it's gonna focus more on graphics for now because he's new in the industry, and most of these TECHWEAR pieces are cut and sew, meaning they are custom made. He also says that he wants to keep the designs monotone in black and white only, but execute it in a minimal, almost clinical kind of essence. I think we get the vibe, right? He also says no Japanese kanji in the designs. He thinks that it's a bit of a play at this point, which I kind of agree because almost every new streetwear brand that pop out on Instagram kind of do that. So it's definitely overplayed if you ask me. Anyway, I'll be working on 2 tee designs today, 1 graphic and 1 logo, 1 hoodie design and 1 puffer jacket design. I'm pretty excited for this one because this is my first time designing for puffer jacket. But yeah, I've done my homework and brainstormed some ideas. So let's start off with the logo right now. My plan for the logo is gonna be minimal by just using a serif font that reads MECHA and then add a TM logo at the end of it. The font I'm using for this is called Arpen. You can go look it up if you like. Now the reason why I picked this font is that I like the sharp edges throughout the font. It looks futuristic and got that cyberpunk vibe. I'll probably keep the font as is, but we'll see. Right now I'm testing out this effect by going to Effect, Distort and Transform. I feel like giving it this tunneling effect in the back will look really cool, but right now I'm using 20 copies and it looked too stacked, so I'll probably play with the settings for a bit and we'll move on to the first design after this. So right now I'm in Photoshop, and before I start, I want to mention that every asset that you see from this point on is sourced from Envato Elements, which is today's sponsor. It's been a real game changer for me since I started using Envato Elements 6 months ago. Whenever I want to look up resources, it is now my #1 place to go, but not just for stock photos. Envato Elements also offer high quality assets from stock videos, fonts, motion graphics, and so much more. For this week's designs, I needed some cyberpunk photos, so go to the search bar, select photos, type in what you need, and you get endless collection of photo assets ready to go. And if you need to try a few other options, you get unlimited downloads with just 1 subscription. If Envato Elements is for you, click on the link below. They offer 50% off on annual subscription, giving you full access for just $16.50 per month. Now back to the video. Right, so now I'm selecting this stock photo I got from Envato Elements. But yeah, my idea for this design is to have the headshot of this photo only, and then I'll put the brand logo up top and then some small cyber elements on the bottom, maybe even throughout the whole design. I'll then apply the stamp effect to this photo so it looks grungy and also works as the perfect method for screen printing. If you're wondering how to do this effect, you can actually click on the link right here and check out the tutorial that I made last week. It's a very simple effect that I think anybody can learn in just 1 sitting. Anyway, so now I'm erasing this sword, this cyber sword, because it kind of looks awkward in the back. After that, I'll just import the logo into the working file and then find the right placement for it. Now that's done, I'm just adding some small text and small cyber elements to fill out the canvas, and I envision it to be a huge print on the back of the tee and then just a small logo text on the front. But yeah, I actually have no plans yet on the layout, so I'll just go with the flow as I design. So I'm still adjusting the layout of the elements. It's not done yet, but I think essentially it's all there. Just need to find the perfect arrangement for it. But yeah, I'll show you guys the final result at the end. Let's move on to the next design. So guys, for the second design, it is really easy because it's just a logo tee. I was planning to just use the basic logo for it, but I figured I should test out this blur effect that I've learned a few months ago. I think it'll fit the aesthetic of the brand, so yeah, let's give that a try. Okay, so the final design is the one for the puffer jacket, and I forgot to mention that the client actually wants some sleeve prints and then a small badge design on the right chest area. I'll maintain the same aesthetic from the previous two designs, obviously. I feel like putting the logo on the sleeves would be very cool, so it kind of creates this contrast with the other silhouettes because we already got the logo tee with the logo on the chest. So yeah, I'm also using the same stamp effect from the first design for this small element in the box. I'll switch it up on both sleeves so they're not just like a copy of one another. And then I'll just add a slogan at the bottom along with this symbol that I made from the first design. So far it's been going really well. I like the way how the texts are arranged, like they're mirroring one another, and then how the 2021 is rotated 90 degrees. I'll do the same thing on the other sleeve, but of course with some changes. Moving on, right now I'm working on the chest print design. My direction for this is a variation of this symbol that I got from the first design using the art print font. I'm actually really surprised how fast this entire collection is taking me to create, which is not always the case because it could take days just to come up with something decent. But anyway, let me just clean up this design right now and then show you guys the full collection. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like this entire techwear collection that I've made today. Let me know which one is your favorite down below. As always, subscribe so you don't miss out on my videos every single week. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.